Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is like, it's still a good like setup and everything, but I'm actually not sitting on my bed. I'm standing up, like literally straddled like this so that I can be in frame. I needed to film a video for today because I don't want to miss, but I literally, did you see that? Like, I had to adjust my pants. I am literally about to run out the door to go meet my friend that I'm supposed to be giving her something. So I really wanted to do this video before I left because if I don't, when I come back, I'm not gonna wanna do it. Plus, my makeup is not gonna look as nice. I'm gonna come a little closer so you can kind of see what I did today. The lighting isn't that great outside right now and it just kind of looks like crappy, and I really like using daylight, so this is what we have. But I have almost like a neutral brown eye, and I have some purplish pink tones underneath. And then I threw on like a purple kind of lip. I really like this lip. It's like cute color. You don't see it. I think they may still sell it. It's this color right here. See that? And it's called Lilac Flush number 725 from Maybelline. So I got this a while ago, but I haven't used it in such a long time. And to be honest, I don't go crazy with crazy colors on my lips, but I really like this one. So today's video is going to be about my used products that I have basically finished over the last couple of weeks. I've been making this bag probably for actually a little while, but I always like to let it fill up and then I film an empties video. So if you want to see the products that I've been using and what I thought about them, then keep on watching. Let's start with product number one. This is a cleaning product from Mrs. Meyers, and it's the honeysuckle scent for their multi-surface everyday cleaner. Now, this scent, I'm gonna put this over here because I grabbed two things. This scent is so nice and light and kind of sweet, which really makes me think of spring and summer. So it's just a cleaner that I use around my house for like multi-purpose type of stuff. It just removes dirt and freshens. So honestly, like I would spray this on my furniture if I could. It really smells that good. But I do like it because it's more of a clean product and it's made without certain things that some normal products may have in it, which is why I like it. But they have a couple of different scents, but I really like this one for the spring and summertime. So if you can go to the store, just crack it open and smell it because it smells really delicious. All right, the next is this. This is a rosemary mint room spray. And I got this when I was actually on vacation from a company and from a store that is not listed on this bottle. And if it is, it's covered with a tag. But I'll get the name of the store. I go into it literally every single year for years and I always forget the name of it. But I'm gonna put it down here so that you guys can see. And this spray is so great for just like doing yoga. I use for a lot of times actually at work. In the morning times, I like to do yoga with my staff before the kids come in and stuff like that so that we can just like de-stress and relax and start our day. And this is the spray that I put all over the room before they come in. And I can't tell you how many times they come in and they're like, oh my God, I love that smell. I love that smell. So this is a really good one. It's rosemary and mint. And when you smell it at first, it's like, I didn't think like, oh my God, this is gonna be great. And for some reason, when you spray it in the air, it just sets in the calm. So I love this. I will be getting more. It's a little pricey. It's like 12 bucks a bottle, but it lasts a really long time. And yeah, I am going to be getting more of this year, hopefully, if I'm able to go down. Okay, next product is Not Your Mother's She's a Tease volumizing hairspray. And apparently this is infused with apple blossom and bamboo. And this is another cleaner brand that I got from Ulta, but I think you could get it at some other places. And I really do like this. It's just a typical hairspray. I honestly didn't find anything special about it, but it did the job. Normally I'll just use a hairspray to help like slick back my edges, and it does that. But I didn't really see like anything crazy about this. So if you're looking for a new hairspray to kind of try out, this is a really good one and it's pretty affordable. I have a lot of sprays, I'm noticing. So this is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. A lot of people have used this and seen this. This is very popular, not new at all or anything like that. But this is one of the best setting sprays I've ever used. To be honest, I think it's just how it comes out. So when you spray it, it's just a continuous like aerosol mist, which is really great for getting all over without missing a beat. It's very fine, so it gets all over your face with just a really nice coat of like moisture, and it never leaves any weird droplet like marks on my face, nothing like that. And it smells great, and I just really like it. I feel like it doesn't make my makeup last forever. Like, I really like the Urban Decay De-Slick. That like makes my makeup really last a long time, but like this one is just a really good one to set for a couple of hours. So I really do like this one, and it's really refreshing and it's affordable, so I like this one a lot. This box is like all beat up, but this is from Love Beauty and Planet, and they were bath bombs. There was 2 bath bombs in here, and they were the argan oil and lavender scent. This is legitimately the same scent and brand that makes the cream that I like to use. But my friend actually got me this as a gift, and I discovered that I love bath bombs because of this. This bath bomb is extremely like just very soothing. It doesn't turn the tub water like any like crazy color, a very smidge of like purple. And so you don't have to worry about it staining your skin or your tub or anything like that. But it also, like I noticed, made my skin a little moisturized, which was really nice, and it smells great. So if you're looking to try out a bath bomb that's good for like sensitive skin, dry skin, I would try this. And I know they have some different scents, but this one is so far my favorite. Oh, what do you know? Look what's next. So this is the same brand that I just mentioned, Love Beauty and Planet, except this is their shampoo. I don't know if I have the conditioner somewhere in there, but this is again the argan oil and lavender scent. I love this so much. When I first tried this, I wanted this as a shower gel. Couldn't find it anywhere, but I do think it is available. So I really like this. It was really good on my hair. Again, I don't find that this product is like so amazing and does like wonders for my hair. Nothing like that. But it's just like a regular brand that smells good, isn't harsh on my skin. It's really nice to look at. It's a clean brand. It's affordable. This is realistic, you know what I mean? So I like this brand for those reasons. So if you're in the market for a new shampoo and conditioner and you want one that's like vegan and like really natural and stuff like that, I would try this brand for sure. I have this, which I've talked about before on my channel. This is the Batiste dry shampoo in the Fruit and Cheeky Cherry scent, which I love. This, again, I haven't really tried many dry shampoos, but this one I keep going back to because it just works for me. You spray it in. I have dark hair, as you guys can see, and yes, it will leave a little white cast, but all you have to do is rub it in with your fingers and it's completely gone. It soaks up all the oils in my hair, and it gives a little bit of volume, which is nice, and a really nice scent. So I know they have other scents and maybe for different color hair for this brand, but I've never tried them. I've only tried this one, and I believe I just picked up another one, but it's a different scent. So I'll let you know how that goes. Okay, so this, you could tell I've been doing this for a while. So this is the Fabrice Wax Melts in Fresh Harvest Pumpkin. And I actually picked this up like a year ago, and then I finally was able to use it more recently. But they had these on sale in Walmart for like 75 cents, so I had to pick it up. And when I smelled it, oh my God. All right, so if you're somebody who likes sweet vanilla and just that fall scent that like people like look for and like rave about, this is it. I don't know if this was a limited edition. It doesn't say that it is. So, oh, yes, it does. It says limited edition right there. Oh my gosh. Well, you know what, guys? Go online and see if you could still find this. It's so good, and it lasts a long time, and it fills up a room like crazy. This is the Mask of Magna Minty from Lush, and I knew I wanted to try Lush and their products when I first heard about them, but I never got the chance to because their stores aren't that close to me until like recently. So this mask is really all like pepperminty, and it really helps to gently exfoliate your skin, and it really leaves your skin hydrated and just soft, which is exactly what I needed. So I like this mask. You could use this on your body, not just your face, which is kind of cool. So I am going to be picking up more of this as well, but I do want to try more stuff from them. Yes, I loved this. This is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. It is like completely dry. I've had this for a long time and just like decided to finally put it down. I do have to get more brow gel eventually. It's just, I'm trying to find more affordable things because this is like 20 something dollars, and I know that there's more affordable things out there. So right now I'm trying this soap that Desi Perkins recommends. So I'm still playing with it. So I'll kind of let you know what I think about that eventually. But yeah, this brow gel is really good. If you want to try it out, it's excellent. It's literally, I say it all the time, hairspray for your eyebrows. So this is really good. Now more bath stuff. I bought this at TJ Maxx, I believe, and this is the Prep Honey and Oatmeal Bath Salt. And this actually had really pretty pink crystals in it. And you know what really suckered me into getting this? It was the scent. Guys, the scent of this is like so delicious. It's like, the scent on here is honey and oatmeal, but that's not what it smells like. Oh, I don't know what it smells like. It's so hard to like get it out, but it just smells so good. You want to eat it and you want to wear it as a perfume. Like, I don't know. It's so good, you guys. If you go into TJ Maxx and you see this and it's in the honey and oatmeal scent, again, it was like pink crystals inside. You guys have to smell this. It was so good. However, using it in the shower or like the tub, using it in the tub didn't really do wonders for me. I don't think it did anything for my skin, and it smelled good for like a minute or two, and then it like kind of went away. So I don't recommend you buying this product. I know that's like weird to say, but I do recommend you at least smelling it. Like, just go to the store and smell it. At least do that, okay? So I have some more makeup here. So when I used the Chart Man-Eater mascara, I wasn't really blown away by it. It was just, it wasn't like wow for me, you know? I put on my lashes, it did the job, but by the end of the night, I had all little black dots underneath my eyes. So, yeah, it wasn't like my fave. Then I tried this. This is the ColourPop Brow Boss. Sorry if it's like dirty and like crazy, but this was like sitting in a bag for a while. But I wanted to see if I can try and find another affordable brow product. Brow pencil. I still love the Ulta Beauty Slim Brow Gel. That is brow pencil. That's still my favorite. But I wanted to see if I would like this one because I believe this one's $5 and the one from Ulta is $10. However, I always get it for $5 because there's always a sale. But I just wanted to try something new, and I honestly did not like this one. And the reason why is because the color was good. It's so down there, I can't even get it to right on my hand. The color was good, but it's too light. Like, it's not as pigmented as I need it to be. So it didn't last on my eyes at all, really. It faded away too quickly. So this was not my tea, but maybe it could be yours. I mean, I don't know. I wouldn't really recommend this product though. I had this Wet n Wild Lash Renegade mascara, and I didn't love this. Like, if you look at the wand, I didn't mess this up. This is how it comes, okay? It's like a ball at the end, which over time I kind of like saw the use for it. Like, I would glide it on, and then I have like huge eyes and I try to get like all up in there. So like the tip of this kind of helps you get into the corners in like a weird way, which was nice. But again, the formula, it didn't leave black dots under my eyes, which was good, but it didn't really do much for my lashes. I really like a lot of volume because I have long lashes already. I actually have like fake lashes on today, but on my own, I have long lashes. I just need the volume, and this didn't really do that for me. It wasn't that great. So this is Nasty. That's what that is. But this is actually a sponge from EcoTools that I heard about from Kathleen Lights. And I really wanted to try this out because she said a lot of good things about it, but I had to stop using it. And the reason why is it broke up so easily. Like, I wash my sponges every time I use them. Not aggressively either, just like a little bit, and then I dry them off and then put them away. And this really did not stand the test of time. Like, I probably washed this definitely under 10 times and it just broke apart. So unfortunately, little like fuzzies from this breaking apart was in my makeup and it was just a mess. So I needed a sponge that was like stronger, can hold up to what I needed to do. So this unfortunately wasn't it, but I do like the shape and I think it would be good for just applying like powder or like baking. Perfect. And you don't have to worry about like washing it so many times because it's just powder, you're not really putting liquid. And I think that you would wash it less often. So not my jam, but I don't hate it. This is the Lancome, don't come for me if I don't say this correctly, but this is the 10 Idol Ultra 24-hour makeup and it has an SPF of 15. This is my favorite foundation ever. Like, I love this foundation. I know it's not like vegan and like all of that, but guys, this is my favorite foundation. I love it, and I also love it because number one, it gives great smooth coverage, but it also works really well as a concealer. So how can I not love it? Like, I just love it. It makes everything look so smooth. So this one, I actually used, the girl in Ulta color matched me to 210 Buff Neutral, but I want to see if I can go like a shade darker. So I do have to go pick this up. It's a little bit expensive, it's a little high end, but it's worth it. And the last thing I want to talk about is this. This is the Acai Berry Moisturizing Brightening, I guess like, it's like a Korean face mask. So this is what it looks like, and it is a sheet mask, and this says that it's supposed to tighten and smooth your skin. The moment I opened this, you guys, first of all, it was good. Let's just say that. I used this recently, so I'm trying to see if the scent is still there. It's not. I don't remember it really being that scented, so it's kind of like light in fragrance, but I loved this. I am going to find more of these because I was in love with this. This is the most moisturizing sheet mask I've put on my face ever, and it is affordable. Again, one of my friends got this for me, and I'm so appreciative that she did because now I found something else that I love. So I am going to try more of this and see what other like scents or like what other kinds they have, because this is the Acai Berry, and although I love it, I want to see now what else they have to offer. So this was amazing. I don't really ever remembering it like brightening my face or like tightening my face, to be honest, but it left my face so moisturized, so hydrated, glowing, and just like beautiful, which I really needed at the time. So I loved it. This is like a serum and a mask. It's so good. I highly, highly recommend this. All right, guys, that is it. Those are all the products that I've been finishing over the last couple of months. I now have to run out the door because I'm gonna be late, but I had to film this video for you guys. I love you guys so much. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share my video, you guys. Share my video so I can get out there and more people can see me. I love you. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.